Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed Khalel. Today, the topic of my speech is grow higher than desire. The fire of desire fuels the start of a relationship, but that fire never lasts. No matter how wonderful someone may seem, it's just a matter of time before you find yourself feeling dissatisfied with that person. Some choose children when that shift happens, believing that a relationship should feel completely satisfying all the time so that a perfect relationship can be found. Others fall into melancholy, presuming they must resign themselves into endless dissatisfaction in relationships. It does, during both cycles, we have something to learn. The lesson is to trust, to forgive, and to let go, based on understanding that all relationships flow up and down. Our present challenge is to grow higher in art, wiser in our choices, more compassionate and more understand. Thank you.